Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making ingredients list: extra virgin olive oil, Dijon mustard, Italian seasoning blend, and sea salt. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use to make our simple salad dressing. Now, I don't have a measurement for this, guys. You're just going to have to eyeball it. So you're going to add some olive oil, then you can add your Dijon mustard. Now, you could either add the tarragon flavored Dijon mustard, or you can add the honey flavored Dijon mustard. So it's up to you and your preference, okay? And now you simply add some Italian seasoning blend to this, and you want to mix it in well. Again, tweak it according to your taste preference. So if you want to add more mustard, then you add more mustard. You want to add more Italian seasoning blend, then you add more. Okay, and basically that's it. Now we just add a little sea salt for taste, and that's it. That's your simple salad dressing. Enjoy.